Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo looks at a bookshelf filled with books placed in no particular order. The books are stacked on the shelves, but they are not organized. Finding one specific book among them would take time. A new word becomes important. Methodical. Methodical means doing things in an organized, step-by-step way. Putting the books back randomly would not make the shelf easier to use. Timo begins sorting the books by color. He lines them up neatly on the shelf. Soon the bookshelf looks tidy and neatly color-coded. Timo remembers that being methodical means solving problems step by step, and careful planning will help him on future adventures.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.